Hello student, good morning to all of you. Welcome to online class. I hope you are fine. Student, now I am going to start the revision. Some characteristics of the occurrence of a chemical reaction means how you identify means this process is the chemical reaction. This is very important for the exam. Okay, so listen carefully. Okay, so student, what is the property? The property of chemical reaction, like evolution of gas, means when any process, if gas release, means this is the chemical reaction. Okay, so student, first evolution of a gas means if any chemical process, if gas release, then it means it's the chemical reaction. Okay, like when metal react with the acid, when metal react with the acid, like zinc. So student, when zinc react with the sulfuric acid, H2SO form zinc sulfate and release hydrogen gas. In the last video, we already told that means if two or more things in the reactant, then we add with the plus sign. Okay, this arrow, single headed arrow, is so the gives means in the back side. This is the reactant and this is the product. And what is the this mean? Means the gas release upward side. Hydrogen is the gas. Okay, student. So student, the next example. The next example is when sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate react with the acetic acid. You know acetic acid? You know vinegar. What we use in the chow mein? It is the vinegar. Vinegar is the acetic acid. So see student, when sodium hydrogen carbonate, remember student, is the NaSCO3. If you want then their name is the sodium hydrogen carbonate or the sodium bicarbonate. Clear? So when sodium bicarbonate react with the acetic acid, it form, see, means when sodium hydrogen carbonate with the acetic acid, it form the sodium acetate, water and carbon dioxide. Means carbon dioxide release. So student, in the product side we get the three things 1, 2, 3. That's why we use the plus sign. Okay student. Next point is the change in color. Is also the one property of chemical reaction. If in any process, if their color become changed and the color is the permanent, means this is the chemical change. So student, if the question asks explain the chemical property with the change of color with the example, then what is the example? See student, when copper carbonate, see, copper carbonate, it become heated. Okay, what is formed? It formed copper oxide plus carbon dioxide. So copper carbonate and copper oxide. Student, the copper carbonate is the green color. Copper carbonate is the green color and copper oxide is the black color. So this is also the one example of the change in color. Okay. Other example like copper sulfate. When copper sulfate react with the hydrogen sulfide. So student, copper sulfate is the blue color. See, copper sulfate react with the hydrogen sulfide. So student, copper sulfate is the blue color. Okay, when it react with the H2S or hydrogen sulfide, it form copper second sulfide. Copper second sulfide. And what is the formula? CuS. This is the copper second sulfide. This is the black color. Okay, and release sulfuric acid. Okay, So these are two examples of change in color. Means when copper carbonate heat, it form copper oxide and release the carbon dioxide. Student, remember the copper carbonate is the green color, pale green color, and copper oxide is the black color. Clear? And similarly, see, copper sulfate is the blue color. When it react with the hydrogen sulfide, it form copper sulfide and release sulfuric acid, H2SO4 gas. So student, the copper sulfate is the blue color and copper sulfide is the black color. Okay? Student, similarly, the next point is the evolution or absorption of energy. Energy means heat, light. Okay? So student, in the chemical reaction, when energy release or absorbed in the form of light, in the form of heat, or both, means this also is the chemical reaction. Student, evolution or absorption of energy, first maybe light release or heat release, or maybe heat and light both become released or absorbed. So you see, in the first case, when magnesium react with the oxygen, magnesium is the one rebel, is the metal. Okay, when you take magnesium, rub with the sandpaper, remove the impurity, and after that you heat with the flame. It burn with the white dazzling flame. Student, have you seen the firecrackers? In the wedding party or in the festival, we use crackers. Yes? So student, you see the crackers. One is the long rod. Have you seen? Made by the some powder, and their middle one is the metal rod. Have you seen the small particle? The small particle is the magnesium, and you see how it become burned? It burned with the white dazzling flame. Means oxygen means, you know student, without oxygen it is not possible to burn anything. Oxygen support the combustion. So when magnesium react with the oxygen, means when it become burned, it form magnesium oxide. Okay, and release the light, white dazzling light, and the magnesium oxide change into the white powder form. Clear? So magnesium is the metal, react with the oxygen, change into the magnesium oxide, is the white powder form. So this is the example of it is the example of evolution of light. Okay, next one, maybe heat. So when magnesium react with the acid, any acid metal like magnesium, sodium, potassium, calcium, when metal react with the acid, it release heat. Or you see student, if you purchase some acid from the market and you put some metal, iron, silver, how do you see that? A heat release. Yes or no? So students, when magnesium react with the hydrochloric acid, it forms magnesium chloride, hydrogen gas, and release heat. Release heat means this is the chemical reaction. When magnesium in the place of hydrochloric acid, if you want, then you take the sulfuric acid also. Okay, so this is the example of the reaction of metal with the acid of heat. Next one is the, see, heat and light. In some process, heat and light both become released. Okay, so see, when C means carbon. Carbon means you take the coal, petrol, diesel, LPG, all are the carbon. Okay, so when carbon react with oxygen, oxygen means when it burn, when coal, wood, petrol, diesel, kerosene, anything, when it burn, it release heat and light and release the carbon dioxide. Have you seen when coal burn, you take wood or you take petrol, diesel, kerosene, each and everything, it burn and release heat and light. Okay, so these are the example of the evolution of or absorption of heat. So in such case, you see, light, heat or heat and light, it release. Okay, so when in any process, when such thing become happen, means this is the example of chemical change. Okay, student. So if in the exam, if asked, explain about the characters with the help of examples, evolution of heat or light. So you easily write the example. Means magnesium react with the oxygen, it release light. When magnesium react with the acid, it form heat. And when carbon, in the place of carbon, you take wood, charcoal, petrol, diesel. When it burns, it release heat and light both. Okay, student. So these are the some point about the chemical reaction. Okay.